Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back out here in the shop today. I came out here this morning and was doing a little bit of cleaning, and I threw some hammers in my hammer drawer and I shut the drawer, and then when I went to open it again, it was one of the hammers had flipped up behind another one of the drawers, and I couldn't open that drawer without opening the drawer above it. And then, you know, once you open the drawer above it, you can't get down to that drawer. So I had to take that drawer out to get the hammers, you know, to lay flatter in there so that I could shut it. And I shut it, and it did it again with a different hammer. And I was like, that's it. So I started cleaning out my hammer drawer, and I got a bunch of stuff here, like, you know, my pry bars and my crowbars. They're taking up a lot of space in my hammer drawer. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with those just yet, but they're not going back in the hammer drawer. So, you know, I kind of organized, you know, my drawer up a little bit better. You know, I got punches and chisels, and I left a couple of pry bars and crowbars in there. You know, all my dollies, my big hammers, rubber mallets, ball peens, you know, my roofing hammer. I took all my other claw hammers, I put them in the other toolbox on the other side of the shop. But then I got all my body hammers here, along with, you know, this is my rubber mallet for metal, sheet metal. My new little wooden mallet that we made the other day. So I'm gonna get this screwed up here, and then we'll figure out where we're gonna put some holes and whatnot. I'm starting to run out of wood too. I had all this wood saved up, stacked up, and I was tired of storing it in the shop, and I burned it all, and now, like, I'm having a hard time finding wood when I want to build little projects like this. Trying to eyeball it, not looking for perfection here. I highly doubt it'll be nice to have this, but I highly doubt it'll be permanent. Not bad. We're just eyeballing it. So I'm just trying to see, like, so this is the easiest way to drill some holes. And the reason being, I have my hole saw kit. We're gonna end up using it, but every time you use a hole saw kit, the wood gets stuck inside the bit, and then you gotta try and dig it out, and it just wastes time. So this is easier to drill holes in wood, but I do have a couple of hammers that the handles are wider than this, so we are going to have to do a couple with the hole saw. Let's see, how many hammers do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need at least 8. And putting a couple more would be nice, so if I do pick up another hammer, I got somewhere to drop it. So let's just inches, so I think if we do every 3 inches, we should be good. Those are like the 2 fattest hammers that I got. So I'm gonna say we're gonna start the first one. Let's do 2 inches up. Got some marks out there, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got a spot for 13 hammers, and I got, what I say, 8. So that leaves us with 5 extra spots. Let's drill a hole and see if the big hammers that I'm worried about, the big handled hammers that I'm worried about, let's see if they'll fit in here with this spade. Because technically I should make them all the same size. Dope. So this guy will drop it in there. I don't have a bigger spade bit than that. This is my biggest spade bit, unfortunately. We're gonna be stuck digging the wood out of this thing. Probably gonna have to get out an electric drill too because this guy overheats. Not as dangerous at times, huh? Going back to Alright, so you guys died, and then Colleen came out here and we went for a walk around out in the back, and then we ran up to the store. I came back, I just vacuumed it up, and then I moved this side down a little bit. It looks like it's off to how this back board sticks up, but when I leveled it with this top here, and when I step back and I look, you could see that it was going uphill. So I dropped it down now. Now it looks like it's off, but when you step back and look at it, it's actually level. You know, not a big deal. It's not gonna, like I said, this is not gonna be a permanent thing. I would like to build an anvil station, and then this will go away. So this is, it's kind of temporary, but don't know for how long it'll be temporary. But the main thing is that it's going to clean up my hammer door, which is the biggest thing, cleaning up the hammer drawer. So I am I'm happy with that. That will, I think, help out a lot. I'll always know where they're at. I don't have to dig through the drawer anymore looking for the specific hammer that I'm looking for. So, I dig it. I think it'll work. It's a shame a couple of my hammers have huge handles on them, but it is what it is. And I think that that's all the hammers that I have that'll I have this one, which is a homemade hammer. I was going to stick it over in the scrap bin, but guess we can stick it there. Maybe we can stick a couple of crowbars in here. Look at that. Wasn't expecting to stick crowbars in here, but if it works, why not use it, right? So, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm out.